In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto to the Revolut app. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. You can also sign up for a free Revolut account through the affiliate link in the description below. Sending crypto to Revolut allows easy management and conversion between digital assets and traditional currencies. It offers convenience for users seeking seamless access to both worlds. First, you need to enable the crypto feature on your Revolut app and receive cryptocurrency. So, start by opening the app on your mobile device. On the homepage, tap the profile icon located in the top left corner to open the profile menu. Scroll down slightly and click on the Appearance option. On the next page, select Interface, and then toggle the switch for the Crypto tab. This will activate the Crypto button on your homepage, making it easier to access your cryptocurrency features. After enabling the Crypto tab, return to the homepage. You will now see the newly added Crypto button. Tap on it to open the Crypto chart, where you can manage and track your digital assets. On the Crypto chart page, locate and tap the Receive option. This will generate a QR code linked to your crypto wallet. To share this address with others, simply tap the Copy button next to the QR code. The copied address can now be pasted anywhere or shared directly with friends. If they have a crypto wallet, they can scan the QR code and send cryptocurrency straight to your Revolut account. This process makes it simple to receive crypto and manage your digital currency through the Revolut app. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget, you can sign up for a free Revolut account using my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching.